here we go.
Oh, this is great.
Right, let's get the red on. Flip it on. All three is attached. Is it hold on to the blue one or only on this?
I forgot.
Give it here. We're down. Right, let's try and get Nick coming down here. Right, I think she's fastened up now. I think she's about to set off. She looks like she's crouching down. Here she comes. She's off. There she is. What a landing. Right, we attached. Are you attached?
Yeah.
Oh, we ready? Let's look at where we're going. All the way down there. Right. Ready?
Yep.
That was a reasonable landing, I reckon. Here she comes. You're running out of steam. Oh, it's almost a touchdown. Be holding on me too. Ready? Touchdown. She's ready as she comes. Oh. Nice landing.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh. You were nearly hold of it then. It's fast, isn't it?
That is really fast. I even lost the train in the process. Right. When you're ready.
Ready, go! Nailed it. Ready? That was a great landing.